LA Center, Skyline 903 Romeo is just out of Zuni corridor. We're going to be headed west, 11,500, descending to 10,500.
1493 Romeo, roger.
Initially, from the Hoover Dam, we were supposed to head southwest to Jean, Nevada. I hope I'm saying that right. 0 Lima 7. We decided we didn't feel like having to deal with airspace since we were already VFR. And I'm not going to mention any names here whose idea this was. Anyway, we instead headed south to Bullhead City following the Colorado River that divides Nevada on the right and Arizona on the left. We flew about 15 minutes following the Colorado to the south, but we didn't even realize that we missed our Nevada stop until we were about 5 miles to the north of Bullhead City. So I'm struggling with the camera, as you can see right here. I have to turn the GoPro around to face us so we can talk about and narrate and tell you guys what we're doing and where we are. So I have my head down because the glare is so bad on the iPad that I can't see it. And I'm looking for frequencies. So in this clip, Melissa thinks it's funny. I don't know what she's laughing at though. All I can think about is how hot it is.
Bullhead Tower is 123.9.
684 Alpha Bravo, contact Vegas approach 125.02.
125.02, 684 Alpha Bravo.
Oh, it is hot up in here. Ground control over there, 1825.
I'll be looking 38 Kilo Fox.
Right. So tell us where we're going. We are heading to Bullhead City.
Flight level 190.
On land there, we have been flying from Sedona up to Canyon through Zuni corridor, then headed west on the north side
scattered cells about
the canyon, and we
miles
just got
down there,
finished going through Lake Mead, and it was magnificent. And that was Hoover Dam. Cut out. Oh, Hoover Dam.
and Las Vegas altimeter 29906.
So right now we are following along the Colorado River. One side is Arizona, the other side is Nevada. We're heading south.
00 Echo Mike, direct cream at this time.
0 Echo Mike, roger.
It is hot. What's the temperature? What you got? 83. Feels like we're baking in here.
Yes,
that's because we came from 10,000 or 11,000 feet.
Vegas altimeter 2996.
Right, headed into Bullhead City. This is Arizona. Arizona, okay. Are we gonna miss our Nevada stop? Oh! Huh? We have another one up north, I think. Okay, good. We landed already, right? We haven't landed it. Oh. 1,700. So 1,400 for base, enter and base. Okay. 1,200, enter and final. Not pretty. At least you're not cursing like I was. Oh, let's not curse.
Skyline 14903 Romeo, turn right on Alpha 6 if able. Remain its frequency. You can taxi to the, and actually you can continue to Alpha 5 if able. Turn right on Alpha 5, remain its frequency, taxi straight ahead to the ramp.
All right, right turn on Alpha 5, stay with you to the ramp, 903 Romeo. Bullhead City. Bullhead City. It is hot. I'm trying to cool this iPad off. It's not doing. It's not working. Yeah, I just need to keep it in the shade.
And Skyline 903 Romeo, you can take a right on Alpha 4 there. That's a little closer for you.
All right, thanks a bunch. Right turn on Alpha 4, 903 Romeo. I don't think I'm ever coming back here. It's hot. It is hot. What do you think? I don't know. If they don't come out, pull up right next to the building. It's their fault.
So Julie, put it back on. Julie is struggling with the heat these days. So she will take all shade she can. It is so hot, but it sure is nice sitting in here in AC drinking a cold water. Where are we? We are in Bullhead, Arizona. Yeah. And it was a beautiful ride over the Grand Canyon. We saw Hoover Dam. That was spectacular.
Yep.
Great, great flight. But it sure was hot when we came down to elevation.
It's about 110 on the ramp.
Yes, you felt the heat just hitting your legs.
Eating up your calves and you...
Oh, unbelievable. So we're taking a break and then we get to go see our Alice.
Here we come. So from Bullhead City, we headed to San Diego to see our Alice. She's probably had the most influence on us on why we did this trip. You only live once. After seeing Alice, we made a 30-minute flight to the north and made a sunset landing at John Wayne Airport, where Melissa's beautiful cousin Danae picked us up. We spent the night in Laguna Beach with Danae and her husband Brad at their place that overlooks the Pacific Ocean. Can I tell you, that place is gorgeous.